This is TWiT.
RIP Clips, the beautiful application created by Apple that allows you to create social video. It was at the time mostly for Instagram, a little Snapchat moment, but it has gone the way of the dodo. 512pixels.net by the inimitable Stephen Hackett points out in Apple support a change that says, and I quote, "The Clips app is no longer being updated and will no longer be available for download for new users as of October 10, 2025. You can continue to use Clips on iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 or earlier. Save your Clips videos to your photo library or another location." We'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment. Now, before we actually talk about how to do what you need to do to keep this stuff, I was just kind of curious, Rosemary, if you were a Clips user, what you thought about it when it launched, and kind of your take on this removal of, or I guess sunsetting of an app.
Yeah, it's a shame it's being sunset, because this came about in the era where Instagram Shorts or Instagram Reels, were becoming a thing, before YouTube Shorts, before TikTok. And the thing that I liked about Clips is that it would allow you to make a reel or short or a video, TikTok video, without using Instagram or YouTube or TikTok itself, and therefore not having your raw content locked into that platform and just being at the mercy of their export options to then download it and re-upload it to another platform. The reality is, while I thought it was really cool, I don't make Instagram Reels, I don't make YouTube Shorts, and I don't make TikTok videos. So I didn't really use it. I've used it for a couple of little silly things here and there that I sent to friends and family, but I've not really been a heavy user of it. That said, I'm not a user of any video editing app, portrait or landscape, professional or casual. So yeah, the closest I come is using photos and editing a live photo to have a bounce effect, so it looks like a dog is going from left to right and back again, or something like that. Unfortunately, I don't really do any video editing, so it's a shame that it's going away. But yeah, I mean, I'm guessing most people probably weren't using it anyway.
Yeah, that's my feel as well. I think most people probably weren't using it, therefore, why keep working on it? And also, the team, assigned to do it probably have other things they need to work on. So why keep doing this? Now, Apple introduced Clips in March of 2017, so it actually has been around for a while. I remember when it came out. I think at the time I would have been working at iMore from Mobile Nations, and probably wrote a couple of articles on using Clips. So at the time I used it to figure out how to use it, and then occasionally created some app or some video after the fact. But yeah, if I am producing little videos, I'm probably just using the tools that are available to me within an app to make that happen. And so this just ended up not being a tool that I use regularly. In any case, you want to save out your Clips videos. Apple has a little guide on how to do so to make sure that you have them available to you, because you need it in your photo library. If you did those little effects and stuff as well. So yes, we'll have a link to that in the show notes that talks about how to save out your Clips. And in the same way that I say, let us know about utility apps that you love, also reach out if you are a Clips user. I want to hear from you. Like, if you regularly were using Clips, I would love to know what you were using it for, how it worked for you, and we can always offer some advice on a replacement. Apple itself suggested some third-party apps, naming specifically InShot, VN Video Editor, and GoPro's Quick. I'm a big fan of GoPro's Quick. It used to have a different name before GoPro acquired it, and despite the fact that GoPro acquired it, it still works very much the same. It was, for me, a great way to quickly create those really nice photo, video slideshows that have like nice music in the background and have movement and make it very easy to quickly create something. So if you're looking for a replacement for clips, that's the one I would go to. I've had a number of family members specifically reach out and say, "Hey, I want to do this for my family. I want to make a little video." And I say, "Quick, I say quick," and then they go, "What? I'm moving." I say, No. The app, it's called Quick. And then we have a little moment. It is great, and it is the one that I recommend. Hey, if you're enjoying this little bit of iOS today, well, you can check out the full episode. You can head to the website, twit.tv/iOS, or watch the full show right here on YouTube. All you got to do is click that link below.